My name is John Pirie. I'm a charter captain out of Gloucester, Massachusetts. I've been with Raymarine now since 1990. Being a captain today is vastly different than when I started back in the 90s. You know, nowadays our pre-trip stuff, I'm on the internet looking at weather buoys. The amount of information that I get from other sources before I ever step foot on the boat, right, that I'm then going to load into my computers here and bring with me, and the knowledge is going to guide my day. A lot of it I'm gathering the night before, and wind is certainly one of the most important things, but I'm looking at lots of other factors too. We're looking at temperatures, we're looking at currents, we're looking at everything, and it's all there. The reason why I want it more than anything else is because I can cover more ground that way. I can cover more area that way. I'm going to see more interesting things that way. If I'm stuck in a small area because it's too rough to move far or too rough to move fast, then it's harder to do my job. But if it's nice and calm and I can run, well, we're going to see some really neat things. In terms of the equipment that I use from Raymarine, I think for us, the most important thing that we use is probably going to be radar, because we're constantly looking for birds, and the kind of fish that we're trying to catch are associated with birds, and they tend to feed at the surface, and the birds will come with them at the surface. If I can find the birds, I can usually find the fish. 34 years with one kind of electronics on my boat, used lots of others. 34 years I've chosen to use Raymarine and work with Raymarine, and for me, I like their quality. I like the fact that they listen to us, that they ask us important questions. How can we make it better? How can we do it differently? What are your needs? How do you identify your needs? And how does our equipment meet your needs? And those are the kinds of questions that allow us to feed back to them, so that when you see the new version come out and you see a change, you see that your voice is being part of that process.